Hello there, my name is Alexis Alexander. This is my personal YouTube page, Lady AEA. If you're looking for conversations with Alexis, this isn't that page. I wanted to do some unboxing. I've never done unboxing before, but I have found them so, how can I say it, helpful lately. I've been looking at some bags and handbags, and I wanted to purchase some, and so I would look them up on YouTube to see how they looked and how people liked them. And so it was so helpful because some of the bags I didn't get because they were too small, or I just didn't like the way they looked in person. So it was helping me tremendously. So when I looked for my particular new bags, I couldn't find a video for them in this color and this style. So I said, that's perfect. I'll just do an unboxing on my own station so people who want these bags, they can see it. So these are both Coach bags. I wasn't really a Coach girl before. I was a Kate Spade girl, but I don't like the style, the way they're going with their styles. So some Coaches lately have caught my attention. And of course the outlet, I'm not paying full price. So this is my first one that I'm opening in front of y'all. So I bought the travel messenger bag. It was supposed to be a crossbody. That thing was not a crossbody. It was a shoulder bag. So I did not want it, but I liked the logo on it, and I liked the strap. So I said, let me just get the bigger bag because this thing didn't work. So this is, let's see. And y'all be kind because I have not done an unboxing before. And I stopped right before we started. So this is, let's look at the sporty leather JES Tote in black. Okay, sporty leather JES Tote. Good price too. So here we go. Is this fun? Is this fun for y'all? Well, opening boxes is fun for me, period. So let's move. Okay, it's fat. Let me let y'all see it. So it has the Coach logo on it. Isn't that hot? Isn't that nice? Okay, and then it has, it's like got that silver stripe on it. And I did bring a knife in case I needed it. And I don't know all the correct term. I'm not a, like I said, I'm not a Coach guru. I know we have the hang tag here. Let's take it off the back as well. I already like it. So yeah, let's roomy. Let me be real with you. I tried to do a small bag. I just felt like stuff was missing. So I had to go back to a big one. What's a nice size? Yeah. So I'm gonna let y'all see the inside. Do like I see them in the other videos. It's got the inside a deep pocket. And does the other side have a pocket? Yeah, it's got like a double-sided. I don't know if you can see that. It's got a 2-pocket thing, so you could definitely put your phone on the side. I love it. I think it's wonderful. So emblem, I think I love the big fat like engraved Coach. I like that. So yes, if you're buying the black one and you're looking for the video, I could not find a video with it, but here it is. It's a great size. I'll put the dimensions in the video below because I don't know what they are right off. But I thought this would be a great everyday throw over your shoulder bag. It's not too dressy because of these handles. But again, this is all leather. No feet, but still, I think it's a fabulous bag. I think it. Here we go. Thank y'all so much for my first unboxing. I do have another coming. I like to leave this stuff in to give it some body. But truth be told, I'll probably switch it out tomorrow because I really do like it. Oh, and it has a snap closure. Don't know if I showed y'all that. But here we go. This is the Coach Sporty Leather JES Tote in black with the fab Coach thing. So have a great day. Thank y'all so much for tuning in for my first unboxing. Yay! Bye.